If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can use time tickets in Sage 50 Accounting to record the time spent performing activities by employees and vendors. You can record information for many days or a single day by using either one of the two windows provided for time ticket entry. To enter detailed notes about a single day, use the Time Tickets window. To enter activity for several days, instead use the Weekly Timesheet window. Regardless of which window you use, you can view time tickets entered into one window within the other window too. These windows are just two different views of the same time ticket data entered into Sage 50. To enter a single time ticket, select Tasks, Time/Expense, Time Tickets from the menu bar to open the Time Tickets window. Alternatively, to enter multiple time tickets into a weekly timesheet, select Tasks, Time/Expense, Weekly Timesheet from the menu bar instead to open the Weekly Timesheet window. In either window, select whether the time ticket is for an employee or a vendor by choosing the desired option button. Then select the specific employee or vendor for whom you are recording the ticket by using the drop-down that appears below the option buttons. If using the weekly timesheet window, select the correct week for time ticket entry by using the Week Including drop-down to select a day of the week that includes your time ticket entry days, or use the Previous Week and Next Week buttons to select a week for time ticket entry. The days then appear in the grid below. If using the Time Tickets window, to select the purpose of the time ticket, use the To Be Applied drop-down to select to a customer invoice, against a job, or as an administrative task. If using the weekly timesheet window, to select the purpose of the time ticket, use the Customer/Job/Administrative drop-down to select either Customer, Job, or Administrative. If you select the Customer or Job options, then use the Adjacent drop-down within either window to select the customer or job for which the ticket is being recorded. If entering a time ticket through the Time Tickets window, select the date to record from the Time Details area. In either window, enter the activity item that identifies the type of timed activity to record. If using the Time Tickets window, enter the duration of the selected activity item into the Time Details section. If using the Weekly Timesheet window, enter the same activity durations into the boxes for each day shown. If the time activity recorded in the ticket is for an employee, you can also select a pay level from their employee record if the employee can be paid by time tickets. If the time recorded is for a customer or job, then select a billing type for the ticket. You can also enter a billable rate if needed for future customer billing. Then set the billing status for the ticket. To save the time ticket after recording the time data, click the Save button in the toolbar at the top of either window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.